My name is Anand Vijay. In this video lecture, we have focused on to the script mode of Python. In the last video lecture, we have focused the practical scenario onto the interactive mode of the Python, and we have performed the arithmetical operation. There are the number of operators that can be used for the arithmetical, and we have performed onto the interactive mode. Now we have performed today in the script mode. How we perform the script mode? First of thing, script mode is used to define the large kind of program. Whatever the program you have defined, number of lines of source code, then it save it, and after that you can execute it. In the interactive mode, when we click on the new option under the file menu, a text editor will be open in front of the screen that is used for the script mode. Student, we already know about the we can define the program inside the Python by using interactive mode and the script mode. So today in this video lecture, we have focused the practical process of the script mode. There are the figure 6.2, that is the binary operator operation. You have performed this is the script mode interface. A blank sheet, there are the source code will be written. First one, there is the variable or declaration. In variable, it is the enter the first value, and that value is gone to the inside the variable A, and second value inside the variable B. Whatever we have input the value, after that you have find out the addition process. There are the masses, the sum of the numbers A plus B. Whatever the value we have input inside the A during runtime or a B, it is going to the summation here. In the next source code, you have find out it provide a subtraction kind of process, and output after got the subtracted value. Then there is the product of the two number. Both the value of A and B is going to the multiplication process. Under multiplication process, then A and B perform the division kind of operation, but it is the float kind of division that perform the single slashes here. Okay, single slash only. And next in one, the result of the float division of the number is double A divided by B, but it contains the double slash. That is the integer kind of division. And the last one, you have find out E, the exponential sign and 3 there. That means whatever the value of A during runtime, that multiplied by 3 times. Okay, and you have find out the example is here. In the first value there is the 45, in the second value there is the 20. So after that the addition process, it output will be 65. In the difference, it output will be during subtraction, it is going to the output converted into the 25. Product of the number is shown 945 multiplied by 20, obviously 900. And in the next you have find out the output 45 divided by 20, the float division 2.25. That is the output of this one. And after that the result of the float division, that is 2 only. Here the decimal part is ignored. When you use the double slashes as the division sign, the decimal part is obviously ignored. Okay, and the cube of the first number, that the output 91125, because the 45 is multiplied by 3 times. 45 multiplied by 45 again 45. That is the cubic operation. So all the things we are working on the practical manner here, and we open the at first the Python. Now the Python shell 3.72 will be open in my screen. I make the enlarge process. After that we have click onto the new file option. Okay, this one is the edit mode operation option. Okay, the new file is the edit mode. We can make the enlarge also. whatever we, this is going to the enlarge process. This one is the script mode. Whatever we have typed at first here, so we start from a equal int. Int is the function, and under int we have typed the input keyword. It is also the function, and enter first value. Then we use the int. Why we use the int? Because whatever we have input during runtime, a Python cell treated as a text. If you have given the numeric kind of value 10, it is not a pure numeric value. It is treated as a string value. So int function is converted into the pure numeric value. That's why we use the int function during the input process. Now print function is used to display whatever you have typed along with message and the value here. I have typed the addition of booth number. And E plus B. E, the number is input inside variable E and variable B. So the value is ultimately going combined into the A plus B. Now I copy in the frequent manner and make the paste process. Here we change is subtraction. And again I have paste the product of booth number we use a mark here. Again I paste the division of booth number, single slash. This is perform the float division. Again I paste floor division of booth number. Here we use the double slash, and according to example the last one, the cubic operation. Of A, and here I have multiplied and put the 3. Now I save it in the frequent manner. Type example1 .py and save. After that we use the F5 key. Now we have move on to the interactive. The enter first value we have moved the 45. First value I have input the 45. Enter the second value I have input the 20. After that, you have find out automatically it given the output. This one is the massage. The addition of both numbers 45 plus 20 65. The subtraction of both numbers 45 minus 20. The value of 45 is subtracted by 20. The output is 25. The product of both number 900. The division of both number 2.25. This one is the floor division. The floor of both number, that is the division is left here. Okay, that is the 2. It only print the integer kind of value and ignore the decimal point. And the cubic operation you have find out 999112. So it is the very easy process. Whatever the commands you have put inside the script mode, the interactive mode, you can also type and convert it into the script mode also. And script mode support the number of lines. Whatever it support the big kinds of program. Whatever you have typed there, save it at first, okay, and then you can execute it. So student, you have tried to do in the practical manner, either interactive mode or script mode, and get familiar with the Python. Thank you and have a good day.